The Learning Curve Blog. Multiple Intelligences Theory. Who is the smartest person you know? The student who always gets top marks at school? Maybe it's the man who can fix anything, the woman who is a surgeon, or the boy who can have an interesting conversation with anyone about anything. It's difficult to say who is the smartest of all, because there are many different ways of being clever. In fact, Dr. Howard Gardner from Harvard University in the USA has developed a theory about this, the Multiple Intelligences MI theory. According to Dr. Gardner, there are 8 types of intelligence. All of us have several types, but usually one is stronger than the others. Which is your strongest intelligence? You can guess, but there is no official MI test. This is because these intelligences are hard to measure. They're combined with what you're interested in, what you enjoy, and your general personality. This has caused some people to criticize Gardner's theory. They prefer a way of testing intelligence that can be easily measured, like IQ. But humans are complicated. We have values and hopes and dreams, and we are all different. So, of course, the ways we think and learn are complicated and different too. This is the reason why Gardner's theory is so important for teachers and students. It suggests that not everybody learns in the same way. Some students read and learn, some watch and learn, some do and learn. There is no right way or wrong way. It all depends on how your brain processes information. The best thing to do is find what works for you. As the Greek philosopher Socrates said, to know yourself is the beginning of wisdom. If you can discover which type of intelligence you have and work with it, who knows? You could be the smartest person you know.